In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple files in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to quickly pick several files at once so you can download, share, organize, or move them to the bin in just a couple of clicks. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access your files. In the top right corner, look for the grid icon made up of small dots. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google Services, then choose Drive. That takes you straight to your drive, where you'll see your folders and files. Now, let's select multiple items. The easiest way is to use your keyboard while you click. On Windows and Chrome OS, hold down the Control key. On a Mac, hold down the Command key. Keep that key pressed and click each file or folder you want to include. As you click, each item you pick will be highlighted, showing it's part of the selection. If you ever select something by mistake, keep holding the same key and click that item again to remove it from the group. A quick tip here. Try to click once firmly without double-clicking, because double-clicking opens the file instead of selecting it. If nothing is selected yet, you can click on an empty space in your drive to clear any previous selections before you start. Then, with the Control or Command key held down, continue clicking to gather exactly the items you need, even if they're scattered across the page. Once your files are selected, right-click on any one of the highlighted items. This opens a context menu with the key actions you'll use most often. Download lets you save copies of the selected files to your computer. Share opens the sharing dialog, where you can grant access to others and adjust permissions like viewer or editor. Organize, sometimes shown as Move to or Add to, lets you place your selected files into a specific folder to keep your drive tidy. And Move to Bin removes the selected items from your main drive. If you choose to move something to the bin, remember you can still restore it from the bin for a limited time, but it's best to double-check your selection before doing this. That's it. Open Drive from the Google Apps Launcher. Hold Control or Command while clicking to select multiple files, then right-click to take action. Practice this a couple of times and it'll quickly become second nature.